Hi! In front of me is ZTE AXON 20, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to open Clock app. Then choose Alarm section at the top left corner of it. To create your alarm, click on this plus icon at the bottom. Now customize it however you wish to. At the top, set up an hour. Then click on Repeat and click on the best option for you. Only ring once, Monday to Friday, every day, or custom. I want to set up custom, so I have to click on it and pick days of the week. In my case, Mondays and Fridays. Then save them by choosing Save at the bottom right corner. Now tap on those two switches next to snooze and vibrations to disable or enable those options. You can also click on snooze and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then click on the back button. After that, choose alarm tone and pick one of those options. You can click on recordings, music from your smartphone, or alarm tone. I will go with alarm tone, so now I can click on one of those melodies, like whisper, and save the chosen one by clicking on OK at the bottom right corner. When you're ready, click on Label. Label your alarm however you want to if you want to. Click on OK. And tap on this check mark at the top right corner to save your alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you want to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. Then select one of those options. You can turn it back on by clicking on the same, now gray one. If you wish to edit your alarm, click on it, make your changes and tap on the check mark again. You can also get rid of your alarm by holding it, selecting Delete at the bottom right corner, and confirming your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to adjust more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner and manage all of them however you wish to, like duration. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!